All right, speculation has been swirling now for months, but today, Verizon announced plans to buy Yahoo's core assets. The price tag, $4.8 billion. Embattled Yahoo CEO Marissa Mayer said in a statement that, quote, the sale of our operating business, which effectively separates our Asian asset equity stakes, is an important step in our plan to unlock shareholder value for Yahoo. Joining me now to talk more about this multi-billion-dollar deal is Mitchell Marks. He's a professor at San Francisco State University's College of Business. He's also author of several books on mergers, acquisitions, and business management. Thank you so much for joining us, Mitchell.
Nice to see you, Heather.
Okay, so my first question is, what do you make of this takeover?
Well, it's not surprising. Yahoo's been on the market for a while, and it's not surprising that they were acquired by Verizon. As you can imagine, in the media world, there's a lot of consolidation going on, both traditional media and also social media. So what Verizon is hoping to do is, with its current about 110 million customer base, they want to take the billion number of customers that, and we wouldn't call them customers, but viewers that come in through Yahoo. Of course, these are not paying customers, but hopefully Verizon's idea is to integrate Yahoo with AOL, which they acquired about a year ago, and to try and get some of those billion people to start paying some money.
And what does Yahoo gain?
Well, some certainty.
Yeah.
You know, certainly they've been on the market. The good news: if I was an employee at Yahoo, I would be feeling both good news and bad news. The good news is that somebody bought us. The bad news is that somebody bought us, and now they're going to integrate us. And so there obviously will be some job cuts, but what Yahoo gets really is a potential extension of the brand. But I say potential extension of the brand because since Verizon also owns AOL, they're going to merge the two, and they are only going to have one brand in the future going forward. I would be stunned if they kept both brands. So which has better cachet out in the marketplace? Would that be AOL or Yahoo? Some marketing focus groups will be done, and they'll decide. So you could temporarily get a sense of good feeling that our brand is going to stay, but then again, in the long run, it may get eliminated. Okay,
so what other changes do you expect to come out of this takeover?
Well, I think you're going to see what's happening in this industry is that there's going to become a consolidation of providers. There's going to be even fewer options down the road for the consumer. For shareholders, this was probably as good as Verizon and Yahoo could hope for. It's a fair price. So if most companies, when they make an acquisition like this, their stock price goes down. Today, Verizon wasn't terribly hard hit. I think the Yahoo shareholders, the market already understood that this was going to occur, and their price represented that.
Yeah, we don't have a whole lot of time left, Mitchell, but I do want to talk about Marissa Mayer. Most agree that she was dealt a tough hand here when she took over for Yahoo. She said today that she envisions a place for herself at Yahoo long term. I want to read a little bit about what she wrote to employees. Quote, for me personally, I'm planning to stay. I love Yahoo, and I believe in all of you. It's important to me to see Yahoo in its next chapter. She also said that she was going to stay on during the transition. Do you see Marissa Mayer staying?
Not beyond the transition, absolutely not. It's very rare when someone is CEO to play second fiddle. So she, of course, will stay a little bit during the transition, but I think her words were the right thing to say. I'm not sure there was a lot of substance behind those words.
All right, thank you so much for sharing your expertise. Mitchell Marks, obviously a big day for that Silicon Valley giant Yahoo. Professor there at San Francisco State University's College of Business. I understand you're in Hawaii. I hope you enjoy your vacation.
Aloha.
Thanks.